My beautiful people, Duns beautiful people. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I fix this hair you're looking at right now. Okay, I'm going to make a middle part. I'm going to teach you guys what I do. Now, keep in mind that I am away from home. I'm on vacation and I don't have all of my tools, but this is just gonna be a modification, okay? Just a very simple way of how you can get yourself ready, okay? Even though you are on vacation and you don't have all of your hair tools, okay? It's very simple, very simple. You can still look good, your wig can still look good even though we are working with minimal equipments, okay? So first, of course, you gotta part the wig, and I'm using my curling iron to kind of try to lay down the hair, okay? I'm trying to lay it down, okay? But it's giving me a bit of a difficulty right now because I don't have my flat iron, my flat comb. My hot comb is what I usually use to lay down my hair. So as you can see, the left part is a bit up and the right part is down. But what I'm putting on it is I'm putting some gel. Okay, I'm just putting, you see, I just got some of my gels. If you guys want to know what kind of gel I use, DM me, and I will let you know. Okay, but just some regular, it's nothing expensive, okay, just some gel. And as I told you before, the little trick that I use to define my lines is my makeup, my foundation, okay? So I'm just gonna show you. I just try to make a straight line down, as straight as possible, y'all. Straight as possible. Yes, you see, I love it. I love it. You see how like nice and crisp the line looks. All right, perfect. It's gonna give a more realistic look. Okay, so I take off my headband. So the headband that you saw me wearing, it says "Love Me," but this here is actually from I Define. Okay, and I have a link on my description bar, or you could, DM me, send me a message, and I'll send you the link for this here. All right, it's I Define hair. So this is another trick that I do, okay, guys? Rewind. You saw how like the baby hair was way too much. So this is a way to bring my line forward more, okay? See, I elongated my line, okay? I made it longer, all right? So yes, the left part is still giving your sister girl difficulty, okay? The left part just doesn't want to stay down, but we're gonna manage. Yeah, so I'm just going back with my brush, just kind of blend it all and like blend the foundation in a little bit to make it look more realistic, okay? But yeah, so I'm just trying to just lay everything as flat as possible, because earlier, if you rewind the video, you'll see that the hair was way up. It was just like all over the place, giving me problems. Okay, so now I'm going to curl it, just a little bit, curling it just so that it could look more organized and tamed, okay? I'm not gonna put too much curls because I'm gonna go in the water, but before I go in the water, while I'm walking by, I need to look, presentable. The hair needs to look presentable. Okay, Amber gotta look as presentable as possible, even though she's about to get wet in the water. All right. Um, so bear with me, y'all. I am almost done. We are almost done. All right. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. This is real world. This is real world. It doesn't have to be perfect. So here I go back down again. I go back down with my curling iron. Okay, this helps to just flatten the hair. Like I said, I don't have my hot comb. My hot comb is usually what I use to just help it to be flat, but still, I'm satisfied with the result. You see? Nice, right? Nice. You see the line is nicely open. And look at the back. This is the back of the hair. And like I said, this is a 14 inches, okay? It's 14 inches. And look how long it is. I'm surprised. Like, I define really makes the hair look a lot longer than I expected, which is cool, you know. I get longer hair for less money. So yes, so I like the results, y'all. Let me know. Rewind the video, rewind it so you could see how it looked like in the beginning, from the beginning till now. Let me know what you think about the color. Let me know if this is something that you can do. All right, let me know if you have any questions, y'all. Subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Mwah.